Hi, I'm Tyler, Mr. Trees Trimble, and my banana tip of the day is when harvesting bananas. If you don't already know, as soon as you cut that stalk free from the banana plant, the whole tree itself dies. So you cut down the fruit, you cut down the tree the same day. That way all your work is done. If you just cut down the fruit and leave the tree, it will slowly deteriorate and rot and turn into this pile of liquid mush that you're not going to want to deal with. So as soon as the fruits are beginning to turn yellow and you're thinking about removing the bunch, you go ahead and remove the bunch and then remove the entire tree as well. That will encourage all of your little pups and all these little guys down here planning on joining the party. They'll have more light and space to grow faster and get you to a new banana bunch. So another tip, if your bananas are very large and you're growing very tall bananas, not your dwarf varieties, just a traditional variety, they can get somewhere between 12 and 20 something feet high. So if they're too high for you and you're noticing that a portion of them are beginning to change and turn yellow, you can always cut down the bunch a little early and bring it on over to a nice bucket of water and just put the trunk right in a little bucket of water, and they will start to ripen on their own, slower than just removing the whole thing. That way you can kind of pull them off every day as you're walking out the door. If you have a disaster and say your banana tree is getting ready to break in half, like this one here, because the fruit is too heavy and the plant itself is falling over, if the fruit's nowhere near close to ripe yet, you can also detach it from the tree itself, keep a chunk of the tree, and then put it in that bucket of water as such, and then they will ripen up on schedule without having to waste anything. Those are my banana tips. I'm gonna eat this banana. I'm Tyler, Mr. Trees Trimble. Thanks for watching.